Georgia, but also known as Pine Mountain, Georgia. Oh my God.
Nice little town, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This house and that house were destroyed in a tornado and rebuilt in 1908, and the house next door survived the tornado, and it's about 1895, the Chipley Mural House, and it's still a bed and breakfast today. Very nice, yeah.
Here's the Visitor Information Center. We'll see if anybody in here knows why this town used to be called Chipley. So, sir, what's the connection between Chipley, Florida and Chipley, Georgia?
Chipley, Georgia was named after a gentleman named Colonel Chipley, who started a railroad that ran from our town, Chipley, Georgia, down into Florida to a town named Chipley, Florida. And that name became the town's name until the mid-1950s, when it was changed to Pine Mountain.
This town is known for shopping and restaurants, but it's also home to Callaway Gardens.